Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja, where we dive into the exciting world of economics. Join us as we explore important topics that shape our lives and communities. Today, we're focusing on farming and food production, a crucial part of our economy and society. If you're passionate about learning and want to join a community of curious minds, subscribe now for more free educational content. Let's dig into the world of agriculture and discover how it affects us all. Agriculture has been the backbone of human civilization and essential for the growth of economies around the globe. It is through farming that humans have been able to grow crops, raise animals, and produce the food we consume daily. Imagine living in a time when people had to hunt or gather their food. Without farming, we wouldn't have developed communities or societies as we know them today. Farming employs billions of people worldwide and is vital for our survival. But what makes agriculture so significant economically? Let's explore its importance. An agriculture ensures food security. It produces the food we need to survive and thrive. In many developing countries, a significant portion of the workforce is employed in farming. This employment is crucial as it not only provides jobs but also supports families and communities. Furthermore, many nations depend on agricultural exports for their economy. These countries earn foreign currency, which can then be reinvested in their economies. Agriculture supplies raw materials for various industries, including food processing and textiles, and it contributes significantly to the gross domestic product or GDP of many nations. By understanding agriculture's economic role, we can see why so many countries invest in agricultural research and programs to support farming. Without agriculture, modern economies would simply not exist. Farming comes in various forms, including crop farming and livestock farming. Crop farming involves growing plants like grains or vegetables, while livestock farming focuses on raising animals like cows and chickens. There's also mixed farming, which integrates both crops and livestock for efficiency. Some farmers practice subsistence farming, growing just enough food to support their families, while others engage in commercial farming, which produces food for sale in larger markets. Organic farming emphasizes natural processes and avoids synthetic chemicals, marking a significant shift in how we think about food production. By learning about these different types of farming, we can appreciate the diverse agricultural landscape and the unique challenges and opportunities each type presents. The journey of food from the farm to our tables is an intricate process known as the agricultural value chain. It starts from inputs like seeds and fertilizers and follows through production where crops are grown and livestock is raised. Once the food is harvested, it goes through processing. For example, milling wheat produces flour or pasteurizing milk to ensure it's safe to drink. Packaging is next, which prepares the food for sale, followed by distribution to markets so we can buy and consume these products. Understanding this value chain helps us recognize why food prices are set at certain levels and why there can be variations in costs. Each step in this chain adds economic value and provides jobs, making it a crucial part of the food system. Technology in agriculture is rapidly evolving and has drastically changed how food is produced. Gone are the days of relying solely on manual labor and animal power. Today, tractors and specialized equipment are at the forefront of farming. Technologies like precision agriculture utilize GPS and sensors to manage fields more effectively, applying water and fertilizers exactly where needed. Genetic improvements help develop crops that are more resilient to diseases and climates. More efficient irrigation strategies allow farms in drier regions to thrive. These technological advancements have increased productivity and allowed farmers to manage challenges like climate change and labor shortages effectively. The productivity of today exceeds what was thought possible in the past. But while advancements in agriculture bring innovation, they also create new challenges. Modern farming grapples with climate change, which alters weather patterns and places pressure on crop yields. Water scarcity is another pressing issue, with agriculture consuming significant water resources. Intensive farming practices can lead to soil degradation, making it vital to monitor and manage soil health actively. Additionally, pests and diseases continue to threaten crops and livestock. Farmers face fluctuating prices and changing consumer preferences toward sustainable and local food. The workforce is also a concern, as many agricultural areas deal with labor shortages. Finding solutions to these challenges is essential for ensuring food security and sustainability for future generations. And sustainable agriculture is an approach that underscores the need to produce food responsibly while also preserving the environment. Sustainable practices include crop rotation, which enhances soil health, and water conservation techniques that promote efficient water use. Integrated pest management involves biological approaches to manage pests. Agroforestry combines trees and crops for diverse and sustainable farming. These methods are not only beneficial for the environment, but they also help meet the rising demand for responsibly produced food. It's crucial for farmers to balance productivity with environmental stewardship, ensuring future generations can also thrive. And the concept of a global food system is essential for understanding modern agriculture. Today, food production is interconnected across borders, allowing for specialization in trade. Countries can focus on producing what they grow best and then trade, which benefits consumers worldwide. However, this interconnectedness means that events such as weather changes or economic shifts in one region can have ripple effects globally. Food security becomes a pressing concern, ensuring everyone has access to safe and nutritious food. International cooperation is vital for tackling challenges such as food waste, which remains a significant issue worldwide. By working together, countries can advance agricultural research, aid food insecurity, and enhance global trade policies. And looking ahead, the future of farming and food production is filled with possibilities. Innovations like indoor and vertical farming will grow food closer to urban centers, reducing transportation costs. Alternative proteins like plant-based and lab-grown foods may transform how we think about meat consumption. Digital agriculture will leverage data and automation for efficient farming. Practices that restore soil health and sequester carbon, known as regenerative agriculture, are gaining traction. These practices focus on sustainability and supporting local economies to meet the needs of a growing population while protecting our environment. As we learn about these advancements, we can appreciate how essential agriculture will be in building a promising future. Today, we explored the foundational role of agriculture and food production in our economies and societies. We learned about the economic importance of farming, the types of agriculture, and the value chain from farm to table. We discussed the impact of technology, the challenges facing modern farming, and the significance of sustainable practices. The global food system and the future of agriculture reveal the evolving landscape of how we produce food in an interconnected world. Understanding these concepts empowers us to appreciate the complexities of agriculture in today's world. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey into the world of farming and food production. We hope you gained valuable insights into how agriculture shapes our lives and economies. Stay curious and continue exploring the many facets of economics that affect us all. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.